Hello everyone, welcome to installation techniques. So in this video we will show you that how to download Cisco packet tracer. Okay, open your Google and search for Cisco tracer download and click on the first link you see there. Here, so this is the web page. We need to log in. So already I have account, so I am logging in. If you don't have account, please sign up. Okay, so after giving my mail ID and then login, and I am giving my password here. Okay, login. Okay, here it opens. Now search for Cisco tracer, Cisco packet tracer. Click on it. Now scroll down. So here it is visible now, getting started with Cisco packet tracer. So I have already started this course. So if you are not started, it will show you start learning. So I have already started, it will show resume. Okay. So here when you click on download Cisco packet tracer in this module 1, okay, now I'm clicking on download Cisco packet tracer. Here is the link. If you click on it, so it will take you to the page. Here it comes. Now if you are Mac, you click on Mac. If you Ubuntu, click on Ubuntu. I am Windows, so I have clicked on Windows. Now it started downloading. Okay, here it is. So my network is slow. Okay, no problem. Okay, it was downloaded. So click to open and click on and open. Click on open. So okay, so it was open. So first click I accept the agreement and then next, and then choose your own path. So I am choosing my D drive. Okay, I am not having much space in C drive, and click on next and then next and then next. Here it go. It was installing right now. So it was installing all the packages and also libraries, whatever it needed. Okay, so in this Cisco packet I will show you how to create a network and how to connect it. Okay, I will show you after installing. Okay, done. Now click on finish. Now installation was done. Okay, so give yes here. Okay, so this is application of Cisco packet tracer. Okay, now click on skills for all and then click on back. So it will take you to the another website, and here you need to give your credentials again, personal credentials, Gmail ID, and also whatever the password you have given to this account, you give your password there. Okay, now I am entering my password. Okay, now I will click on login. So here you can see that it's showing we have successfully logged into our account. Now we can go back. So I am closing the tab. See, this is the user interface of Cisco, and this is file, edit and options, and this is a view. Here we have some tools also and some extensions. If you want to open full window, you can click on this window and click on full screen window, and this is helpful. So this is Cisco packet, and here down we can see there. So we found some devices, and also these are routers. So wireless devices, everything, WAN, security, switches, hubs, everything will be here only. So these are the home, that means devices, whatever end user devices will be here. Okay, and this is a cable to connect. This will helps to connect two devices. Okay, and these are the things that are given by the Cisco packet tracer. And now let me take a gaming PC and another gaming PC. Right, now I will create a network. Okay, now I will connect a cable. So this is actually automatic cable we call. So we will connect. Okay, so we will connect from one PC to another PC. Here you can see the green symbol. If you click, okay, click on fast Ethernet. So here it is, green symbol shows it was connected. Okay, and now this is the interface of the PC. You can see, guys. So here configuration, desktop, programming, attributes. So everything was listed here. So create a network, we need to give some IP address. So DHCP, if we give DHCP on, so it will create our own IP address. Okay, it will automatically create its own IP address. So now I will give my own IP address here in IP4. So I am giving my IP address. So when you click on enter, it will automatically generate subnet mask. Here it is. So we can see I have given a C, subnet mask class C. Okay, it was shown there. Right, now I will also give to this PC also. I will give my own IP address for this also. So if you give the same thing, okay, so here you can see it was already taken. Okay, so now we need to give another IP address for this. So I am giving 11 here, and then I am clicking enter. So we can see the subnet mask automatically generated. Okay, so now to connect these both devices, so we need to go to command prompt and also click ping, right, ping, and give the another IP address which is assigned to the second device. Okay, now enter. So you will get some details and packets details, everything will be here. So now let me close this tab. Okay, so a network has been connected now. So connection has been established. So take a packet, okay, and then click on both ends. Okay, now let's see how it works. Okay, the packet, how it shows the tracing. So click on play button. Here it is, the packet goes from one device to another device. Now it's giving synchronization, and this is acknowledgement. It was received to the first device. Okay, so it was successfully received. Okay, acknowledgement has been sent from one device to another device, right? So this is called a network actually. Okay, here you can also give some wireless, and you can also give laptops, can do by hubs, switches, everything. Okay, now save it. Here I am giving a new name. Okay, my channel name I am giving here. So whatever you guys want to name it, please give your own names. Okay, right, installation tech is Cisco. Right. And now I will click on save. Okay, now it was saved actually. Okay, right, now I will minimize it, and let me go to the file manager. Let's see where the file is. Okay,